Welcome back to the second episode in this series where we talk about the Creality Ender-6. So we're going to share our first thoughts on the printer after a handful amount of prints and let you know what we think of the printer. First, we're going to go over the three main reasons we believe you would want to buy this printer. These three reasons being the fast printing speed, the semi-enclosed build volume, and then finally the improved build quality when compared with the Ender-5. This printer boasts a printing speed of 150 millimeters per second. Now that's almost 3 times as fast as the Ender-5 and pretty much any other Ender series. Yeah, right now.
Join the video?
Yeah. If you want to join the video, you can join. Do you know anything about the Ender-6? No, I don't. That's okay. Next time. The Ender-6 boasts a build speed of 150 millimeters a second. Now that's pretty fast. That's almost 3 times faster than the Ender-5 and the Ender-3. This is all thanks to the Core XY platform that Creality has built at the top of this printer. This is a well-welcomed upgrade that complements the increased build volume, which will allow you to print faster in a bigger surface area. The semi-enclosed build volume is great at protecting from drafts and other elements during the printing process. When compared to its predecessor, the Ender-5, the Ender-6 does a much better job at securing the build platform when secured to the Z-axis. This is thanks to improved fabrication on the joints on the lead screw. This helps to reduce the amount of flex on the build platform while printing, leading to better quality prints. And who doesn't like better quality prints, am I right? The touchscreen on the front of the Ender-6 greets you with a simple user interface that is very easy to interpret and will guide you to wherever you need to be. Leveling the printer is pretty easy. The nozzle will locate itself to where it needs to be when you command it to. Then you could place a piece of paper underneath and level it so that the nozzle is lightly scratching the paper. On top of this, you could even change the X offset while printing. This way, if you're printing too high or too low to the bed, you could change this without having to readjust the 4 corners. Overall, using this printer for about a month, I could say that I'm pretty happy with it. It was able to print really fast, print larger build volumes than the Ender-5 or Ender-3, and prints them in pretty high quality. I did realize that it is a quiet printer, but once the XY cord kicks in, it definitely bumps up the volume a little bit. Now, whether noise matters to you or not, that is something to consider when looking into the Ender-6. That and the weight thanks to the 4 acrylic walls that make up this printer. I would recommend it to beginners that are looking for a printer with a little bit of a higher price point when compared to the Ender-5 or the Ender-3 V2, that are looking for the additional features and the additional build volume. This printer definitely is capable of all of that. Mech Solutions currently sells the Ender-6 right now for a limited time on our very own Mech e-store and our online storefronts. When buying from the Mech e-store, don't forget to use the discount code MECH3D10 for 10% off of your entire purchase. Thanks for watching this video on our brief thoughts on the Ender-6. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to us here at Mech Solutions for more content in the future.